Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect your hosting domain to your Shopify store in just a few easy steps. If you already have a domain on Hostinger and want to use it for your Shopify website, this guide is for you. Before we start, make sure you have a Shopify store already set up, a domain registered with Hostinger, access to both your Hostinger control panel and your Shopify admin. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on settings from the left side, then click domains at left sidebar. Now click on connect existing domain. Enter your domain name from Hostinger like your store.com. Then click next. This tells Shopify that you want to link a custom domain. Now we will configure the domain in Hostinger. Open a new tab, search for Hostinger and log into your Hostinger account clicking by login button. Once you are in, click on domains at the left side, then click your domain, then DNS from here. Then name servers. Scroll down to the DNS records section. This is where we will update the A or C and CNAME records. Here's what you will need to change. You need to change a record. Find the existing A record or add a new one. Set type to A, host to @ and points to Shopify's IP like 23.227.38.65. Our CNAME record and CNAME record. Set type to CNAME, host to www, and points to shops.myshopify.com. Follow the steps on your Hostinger account. Make sure to delete any old conflicts records with the same host names. Now go back to Shopify admin dashboard. Click verify connection from here when you connect a domain. I will read the process only. It may take a few minutes for DNS changes to update, but usually happens within 10 to 30 minutes. Once verified, Shopify will show you domain as connected. If you want all traffic to go to your custom domain, in Shopify settings, go to domains, then click change to new a Shopify domain tab, then click primary, change primary domain. Select your hosting a domain and send and save it. Now customers will see your store.com instead of your store.myshopify.com. If you are facing issues, double check the IP address and CNAME target. Use a tool like dnschecker.org to see if your DNS is updated globally. Wait up to 24 hours for full DNS propagation, although it's usually faster. Pros on hosting a domain. Affordable pricing. Hostinger offers low-cost domain registration, especially with bundles or web hosting. Free domain for 1 year, often included with hosting plans. Easy to use dashboard, clean and beginner-friendly control panel like that. Simple DNS editing and domain management tools. Fast DNS propagation. DNS changes update quickly, often within an hour. How is privacy protection? Hostinger includes free domain privacy with many TDLs, keeps your personal information hidden, 24-hour and 7 days support, live chat available in case you need help with setup or DNS settings. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and let me know if you have questions in the comments below. Your hosting domain is now connected to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, just comment below.